Updating your legal name on Grailed is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Grailed account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are logged in to proceed with the name update. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon or username in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your personal information. Step 3. Find Name Change option. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Click on the Name Change option and enter your new legal name in the provided fields. Ensure that the spelling is correct and matches your legal documents. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new name, scroll down and click the Save or Update button to apply the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your name has been successfully updated. Make sure to check your account after a few hours to confirm that the changes have been applied. Following these steps will help you update your legal name on Grailed quickly.